Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In today's video, in the research potential series, I am going to talk about research potential on high strain rate on powder subjected to high impact load. Okay. Uh, okay. I create this video to inspire potential students in doing research related to high strain rate on powder subjected to high impact load. Okay, I listed all the tools, tests, experiments, simulation, modeling, and others that you may use in your research. Potential students should consult their respective supervisors to do their research. Okay, so what is high strain rate? Actually, what is a high strain rate? We're talking about high strain rate. Let's see here. This is a rubber band. Okay, this is a rubber band you can find in all your grocery shop, and when you buy something, the shop may give you this rubber band. Okay, rubber band, if I stretch like this slowly, slow, it is a low strain rate. It is only a strain rate. But if I go fast like this, okay, it is high strain rate. Okay, it is not a high strain rate, but I want to give example to you. High strain rate is caused by impact, by high velocity impact, explosion, or maybe the car accident. Okay, it affected, meaning that the response rate is so small in millisecond. Okay, in millisecond. So this is called the high strain rate. Okay, people have done research on high strain rate on solid metal, on composite, and this video I made uh, to do research on powder. Okay, you may use some of this for if you want to do research on metal, on solid object, on composite material. Maybe some of the experiments that I list here, some of the modeling that I list here is relevant to you. Okay, it's not only limited to powder. However, I have searched for powder. Okay, I have searched for hydrogen rate using powder. Okay, so this is the powder material that have been done by previous researchers from around 1,000 journals that I analyzed. Okay, for your information, I am a researcher. I have skill to do analyzing for to find research gap, to find uh, research potential and everything. So this I like to help people, uh, and this is my contribution to you. Maybe this is beneficial to you. Okay, using the skill that I have to do some research background research, literature research. uh, I listed I have analyzed uh, thousands of articles relating to high strain rate on powder. So this is the result that I analyzed. Okay, this they are doing on powder composites, on alloy, on aluminium. Okay, and this is the amount of powder materials: the iron powder, magnesium alloy, reinforced cement, particulate composites, and everything. You can read. Meaning, if you want to do research, you may do research. You may use powders that are not listed here, or you may use powder that are listed in this list. Okay, this is among the experiment that have used, and the software that is mentioned in those journal. There are two software, obviously. Uh, OC9 and NC's LI Dyna. Okay, LS Dyna fin element software. This is two software that is most popular for research on high strain rate. That for Assist Autodyne, dedicated software to do explosion research. okay, LS Dyna for impact, okay, but both software is suitable. Okay, to get high strength rate, to do experiment on a high strength rate, people have done experiment using explosive forming, explosive powder compaction, rolling technique, spark plasma sintering, underwater shock wave, wire explosion technique, and then they're using computer tomography, CT scan, liquid phase sintering, triaxial Hopkinson bar, and cold spraying. Okay, and then this is among the simulation. Of course, when do you doing this kind of research, uh, some of you may don't have the budget to do this because it is expensive to do. For example, a research using explosion. Okay, maybe the better alternative for you is to do simulation. Okay, the among the simulation that I acquire from the list is 3D finite element modeling, 3D mesoscale finite element modeling, dynamic consistency model, okay, prediction model, plastic elasticity damage modeling, numerical model, multi-scale modeling, and others, and damage mode and others. Okay, this is other behavior that you may do the analysis on most of this behavior. So take note. Okay, from my analysis, I found out most so researchers have done analysis on this kind of behavior. They are tensile behavior, dynamic compressive behavior, mechanical behavior, crushing behavior, inelastic impact behavior, quasi static compression behavior, and others. This the list that I give you, you may use most of them in your research. Related research related to powder, research related to composite, and also solid metal. Okay, not only limited to powder, but since I've done this research on powder, this is the result for powder. Okay, I'm sure you may use most of them. Okay, is most of these behaviors are related to your research. This is the mechanism. Okay, when you are doing research on high strain rate, okay, this is the mechanism involved. You must present in your report this kind of mechanism: damage mechanism, mechanism of plastic strain, large strain, high strain plastic flow, instability, localized reaction, microstructure evolution, fracture mechanism, bonding features, failure mechanism, micro mechanism of deformation. Deformation will happen using higher strain rate. Deformation sure will happen. Imagine the car accident, the car crash into a tree, the car crash to each other. Okay, accident will happen, deformation will happen. Okay, what you must present this kind of mechanism in your report. Okay, so that your report will be complete. I am sure most of the list I have in this year, you may use it. Okay, that's the end of the video. I wish you the best to do the research. Again, research is enjoyable. Okay, I wish you to enjoy doing research. If you are interested in doing this kind of research, you may consult your respective supervisors. In all engineering school, I am sure there are supervisors. They are interested in doing this kind of research. Find them. Okay, find them. Using the skill that I have, I can analyze thousands of research article, and this is the result from right analyze. I have this that skill, and this video I created to inspire you to do your research. um, just enjoy. Doing research is not that easy, it's also not that hard. If you know the way, you can done it in very enjoyable time. Okay, wish you the best, good luck for your research.